Wild Skills presents a compact natural camp table built from cedar planks, river stones for feet, and pine resin glue. Cedar supplies flexibility and grip, river stones provide stability, and resin acts as a weatherproof binder. Step by step, place stones as feet, lash a cedar frame with thin cedar bark, then glue the top. Safety tips include sanding sharp edges, drying resin fully, and gradually loading weight while checking balance, with close-ups for each action. A quick animation shows the finished table under light rain, while close-up illustrations explain joints and field use ideas.